Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex and today I'm going to show you what is inside and how is working automatic air freshener, which you can find in your home. It consists from two parts. In this part you can install aerosol, and second part is main part, which is pressing button to release aerosol. From top you can find battery holder case, selector switch to choose how often spray will work, and let's see what is inside. To dismantle it we will need one screwdriver. Unscrew 4 bolts. Okay, when all bolts is unscrewed, we can take out this part. We can see here one DC motor, one board where is connected this switch. This is kind of timer, and gearbox. This arm is pushing on aerosol head to activate it when motor is rotating. Very simple but useful device for your home. Now I will install two battery and we will try to catch moment when this device will be active. Okay, now selecting for open reaction and waiting. Okay, we can see that board is giving signal to the motor, and motor by gear moving this arm, and this arm is pushing on aerosol, and then aerosol returning this pin back in position, this arm back in position, like this, returning back. Very simple but very useful device which one of you has in the home. Subscribe for our channel to know more useful information. See you on the next video. Bye!